Hello everyone, welcome to Jigyansa. I'm Devasmita. So we have already discussed about so many things about the different economic botany and it's related to different types of it's medicinal and fiber yielding, then oil yielding, not yielding, all those things we have already seen in the previous video. So this is mainly for the practice session, and in this video we are going to practice some or apply our knowledge in this particular questions. This is mainly for the MCQ practice sessions, and whatever we studied in the previous video, then we just apply our knowledge in these particular questions. So let's start about the different types of the MCQs that are mainly related to the economic botany. So comes to the different types of the questions related, and here is the given the four option multiple question. This is the multiple choice question type, and here also given the four different types of the option. Then you have choose the correct one. So let's start about the different types of the various types of the question, and what are the different types of the answer. So in this video particularly we learn something about the, or we just apply about our knowledge. So first question is the which part of the econidium, which part of the econidium napellus is of the medicinal value. So here is the four option given in this in case of the root, flower, buds, stem or the leaves. These are four options. Choose the correct one. Here is the first of all we study very carefully the questions of what it said that. So which part of the Aconitum napellus is of the medicinal value? So in case of the Aconitum napellus, this is the root part. Root part is used as a medicinal purposes. So then comes to the botanical name of the mulethi. We have already discussed in the previous video and learn about the mulethi. So its scientific name is the Colchicum autumnale. Colchicum autumnale is option A is the correct answer. Then comes to the a blue dye indigo is obtained from which plant? So here is the indigofera. Um, here the is option option 1 is the indigofera tinctorium, then option 2 is the crocus sativus, then curcuma domesticata, and none of these. So here is the its correct answer is the indigofera tinctoria. Then comes to third question. In the cashew nut, the part eaten is there are the four options: whole fruit, seeds, solen peduncle. None of these. So here is the its correct answer is the solen peduncle, which is option number C. Then comes the characteristic flavor and the bitter taste of the beer is produced by adding the bud of coca plant, pepper plant, neem plant, hop plant. So in case of this question, and the option number 4, which is the hop plant, is the correct answer of this question. Then comes to the next one, that is the in case of the acacia catechu, the part of the plant which yield brown dye is which part in which yield the brown is the it's the heartwood. So in case of the acacia catechu, the heartwood is the main part of in which the brown dye is obtained. Then comes to the tree of the sorrow. Tree of the sorrow is options are the Carthamus tinctoris, then Nyctanthus arbotristis, then Crocus sativus, then Glycyrrhiza glabra. So here is the tree of the sorrow is the Nyctanthus arboritris. So this is the option B is the correct answer. Then camphor is obtained from which part of the plants? Either leaf, root, wood, flowers, none of these. So option number D, None of these is the correct answer. Then comes to the next one. This the in the date palm, the edible part of in case of the date palm, which part is edible? Options are endosperms, poppy, pericarp, epicarp, mesocarp. So option number B or option 2 is the poppy pericarp is the correct answer. Then comes to the next one. A dye obtained from the bark of the Terminalia tomentosa is either it is red in color, black in color, yellow in color, then brown in color. Which type of dyes is obtained from the Terminalia tomentosa? So option number B, that is the black in color, is the is the right answer. Then which of the following plants are used as the spices and is obtained from the underground part? So curcuma longa, options are curcuma longa, second one is the Gingiber officinens, third one is the Ferula aspotida, fourth option is the all of these. So all of these are used as the spices and these are the underground parts. Then comes to next question. Then from which of the following parts of the plants the oil is produced? So oil yielding plants, so in which form, that is it may be roots, seeds, wood, or all of these we can obtain the oil or produce oil. So here is from roots also, from wood also, then seeds also. All here is the option. All of these is the correct answer. So these are some question. Then comes to next. Then Acacia catechu, the part of the plants which yields brown dye. So in case of the Acacia catechu, there is the blue color, that is the brown color dye is obtained from its heartwood. Here is the options either leaves, roots, heartwood, and the flowers. So correct option is the heartwood. Then true of sorrow we have already discussed about this, that is the Nyctanthus arboretus. Then comes to here is the yes. Then Javitri is obtained from seed of the mystica, then fruit of mystica, then aril of the mystica, then none of the above. So these are the four options, and C is the aril of the mystica is the correct option or right answer. Then comes to the unaccessory fruit. The entire fruit wall fleshy composed of the pericarp and the floral tube is called, it is called as the berry, false berry, drupe, or pome. So these are these are four options given in this question, and out of four the second one is that is the false berry. False berry is the correct answer. So the rind of which fruit is contain oil glands. So here is the options are castor, coriander, citrus, mulberry. So third one or the citrus is contain the rind of the citrus fruit contains the oil glands. So option C is the citrus is the correct answer. The liquid endosperm of the coconut contains. So liquid endosperm of the coconut which contains which part? Either auxin, gibberellin, kinetin, and abscisic acid. So here is the B or the kinetin. It contains the liquid kinetin. It contains the kinetin in case of the liquid endosperm of the coconut, or kinetin is present in the liquid endosperm of the coconut, and option B is the correct answer. Then here is some match of the following question types. So in case of the left side, you just match the following. Here is the option given in these options A, B, C, D. Then we just choose the correct one. So in case of the sarpagandha, you can mark, you can see in this slide that in case of the sarpagandha, match of the following. Sarpagandha, here it is, that is the Artemisia cyaina, Artemisia cyaina. So we can, in case of the 1 2 3 one, we just match the correct one, that is the ABCD. So in case of these four options, first of all we just see about the which is the, first we eliminate the wrong one, because we know, if you don't know about four options, or you don't know about the answer of these following fours, you can correct only one also, correct one, then you can match the all of the options. You can correct the answer, or you can solution, you create the solution, go through its option elimination method. So let's see what is this, because I don't know about the all those four, all those all the scientific name of the given four option in Sarpagandha, opium, santonin and the dhatura, but I know very well about the dhatura. Its the scientific name is the Dhatura stramonium. So B is, in case of the B is correct with C. Let's choose, sorry, fourth one is the correct, fourth is matched with the D. So here in case of the two options C and B, you see that the C, in case of the C and B, here is present the fourth one is matched with the D. 4 1 is a match with the D. So we just eliminate A and D. Then comes to the second one. Then Sarpagandha. Sarpagandha is the Sarpagandha is the, sorry, fourth one is the C, that is the Dhatura. Its scientific name is the Dhatura stramonium. Yes, fourth one is the C. It means case option number C and option number B we can eliminate from this option. So rest of the two option, that is the A and the D. Then fourth one is matched with the C. Then it's A is the correct answer, because in the option number A, here is the fourth one is matched with the C. So you can easily solve this type of the questions only by seeing only one, or the match the only one of the options. So let's come to the second one. In case of the left side, cork, sal, kesar and the long. So in case of the sal, its the scientific name is the Soria robusta. So option number 2 is the A. So in case of the C option and in case of the B option, in the 2 option, it given as the 2 is matched with the A. Then second one is the cork, or option number 1. Option number 1 is the uh, cork. Cork is matched with the D, that is the Corcus super. So in this is the, and B is the second, B is the correct answer. Then comes to the third number question, that is the balsa, rosewood, then redwood, balsa, rosewood, wildwood. So I just know option number option number B. Option number B, that is the sorry, option number third. You can see here option number third is the only one, that is the third is given as the rosewood. Its scientific name is rosewood, commonly known as the rosewood at the Dalbergia nigra. So this is the correct option, that is the option number C. So then comes to the yam, lettuce, then sweet potato, then breadfruit. So in case of those options, sweet potato, I just know the scientific name or the botanical name of the sweet potato, that is the Ipomea potatoes. The here is the option number sweet potato is the third one is correct with the A. Third one is correct with the A, and here you can see that in the other options there are no any option given that is the match with the third one is the A. So correct answer is the A. Then comes to the aconite, ergot, jalap, then colchicum. So here is the scientific name, like the colchicum. Colchicum of the fourth one. Here is the colchicum is matched with the colchicum autumnale. So here is the answer, that is the fourth one. So you can see here, that is the only one single option you just see, and then you can choose the correct one also. So next in which part of the plant groundnut is stored? So groundnut oil is stored in the cotyledon parts. So option C is the correct answer. So which of the following are the hallucinogen? Hallucinogens, its means ki it's the given answer is the ganja and charas, rum and whiskey, opium and the heroin, and none of these. So it also arise in the Karnataka state 2000 also. So in case of the ganja and the charas are the hallucinogen. Then before the European invader, which vegetable was absent in case of the India? So these are the potato and the tomato, that these are also known as the new world crops. So which one of the following is the correct match? That is the, here is the you can see here, that is morphine is false, because morphine is also, because in the previous question we have already seen about the ganja and the charas are the hallucinogen. So opium is sorry, morphine is not the hallucinogen. Then bhang is not the analgesics. Then cocaine is also also not the opioidic narcotic. So reserpine is the correct answer, it is the tranquilizer. Then comes to the next question, that is the edible part of the cauliflower is the inflorescence. We already seen about this, that is the economic importance of this. Then the drug belladonna is obtained from, that is the atropa. From atropa plants we just obtain the drug, that is the belladonna. Then porous wood means it means contains mainly the vessels present. In case of the any plants, it is if the vessels are present, then this is known as the, or the wood is known as the porous wood. So the jute is obtained from the secondary phloem. What is the botanical name of the sugarcane? Saccharum mungia, Saccharum berberi, Saccharum spontaneum, and Saccharum officinarum. So the scientific name or the botanical name of the sugarcane is the Saccharum officinarum, and it's the fourth one is the correct answer. Then Caesar eridinium is known as the gram, black gram, green gram, dew gram. So it's normally the gram's scientific name is the Caesar eridinium. So then comes to the jute is obtained from the secondary phloem. All those things already discussed in this previous slide also. Then comes to the Hassis and the Charas is obtained from the female flower of the Papaver somniferum, then Cannabis sativa, then Cola nitida, then Piper betel or pan. So here is the second one is the correct answer, that is the Cannabis sativus. Then which one of the following is a medicinal plants? Jatropha corcus, then Calendula officinalis, then Targetis petula, then Sesbania aegyptica. So here is the answer, that is option number B is the correct answer. So the bird of the paradise plant is, which plant is known as the bird of the paradise? Here is the options, that is the Ravenala, Madagascarus sinensis, then Streligia regini, Heliconia species, then Musa sinensis. So second option, that is the Streligia regini is the bird of the paradise plant. So then comes to the next question, that is a mixing of which in the mustard oil is causes the dropsy. Then Agiman mexicana, when we mixed with Agiman mexicana and with the mustard oil, that it causes the dropsy. Then lemon is the source of source due to sorry, lemon is sour due to the presence of the citric acid. So in case of the citric acid, or in case of the lemons or the citrus fruits, we just found the citric acid, that's why this is taste as the sour. Then which of the following are the new world crop? We have already seen about the two types of the crop, that is the old world crop and the new world crop. So here is the cashew nut, potato and the para rubber are the new world crop. Then in case of the India, cotton industry depends upon the family Malvaceae family, because the cottons are belongs to the family Malvaceae. Then which fiber crop occupies the maximum area of the India? That is the cotton. Botanical name of the tea is the Theca or the Camellia sinensis. A drug from root which it is mental disorder and the reduce the blood pressure is obtained from. In the yesterday we have learn about this, that is the Ralphia serpentina. Ralphia serpentina is mainly helpful for other drug obtained from the Ralphia serpentina is mainly used for the mental disorder and they reduce the blood pressure. Then opium is extracted from the Papaver somniferum. Then quinine is obtained from, this is the very important for all of you, because the in maximum entrance examination, this question is asked in various types of the question, and also options are given in the different ways. So you can focus for this question, that is the quinine is obtained from the bark of cinchona. So here is the options. Here is the options, that is the bark of cinchona, wood of cinchona, root of cinchona, and leaves of the cinchona. So the correct answer is the bark of the cinchona. Then which one among the following is the true nut? For example, in case of the true nut, the walnut, cashew nut, coconut, groundnut, areca nut. So in the following, or the in these five different options, which one is the true nut? So cashew nut is the correct one, that is the it is true nut. It is the best example of the true nut. So these are some questions we have know about, or we have apply our knowledge whatever we studied in the previous classes. So this is the last part of the economic botany. I think all of you know about to some, or gain some basic knowledge about to the economic botany, and how we can apply all those our knowledge into the various question or the various type of the question. So thank you.